Here's Tommy. Hello, hope you're doing great. I'm on adventures right now, so I'm gonna be leaving you with an unboxing. Remember to hit the like button, comment if you want to down below. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified of my next videos. Thanks for watching. I'll leave you with a video. Today we're going to be unboxing the YSmart Tipen 2.0. Let's see it close by. This is number 953. That's the design. And here's the package that it came in. Let's open it up. I'm going to be careful with it because this is actually for a gift. Okay, let's put this to the side and see if we can focus it. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it has a great, amazing design. It's all aluminum made, so it's very sturdy. Let's open it up. And as you can see, here's the pen. I'm not gonna take the tip off because it's for a gift, but it feels really, really good in the hands. Even though for a small size, I think I can write with it, no problem. Yeah. The good thing about it is that you can carry it anywhere with you. It's so small that you can put a keychain on it and you just carry it anywhere. Man, closed perfectly. You can even see the line. Also the sign on top. It's really good. As you can see, it's really small. And yeah, I really like it a lot. So, hope you like this video. See you on the next one.